In this video, I will be showing you how to make a playlist on Spotify. First, you have to make sure that your phone is working well, and then you need to tap the Spotify here, or shall I say, launch the application. Now, once you're here, you can just simply tap this Your Library, and then click the plus icon, tap Playlist. Now, give your playlist a name. Everything is up to you. For example, I'm going to name my playlist as Favorite 2 and then tap the green button that says Create. So once done, you can now see your playlist. Now, if you want to edit your playlist, all you have to do is to click this three dots here, tap this one, and click Edit Playlist. Now, the good thing about Spotify is that you can change the image of your playlist here. Choose something from your gallery. Once you select a photo, click Use Photo, and then you can also give your playlist a description or any details about your playlist here. For example, my Selena songs, something like that. And then once you're done with your description, you just have to tap Save. So as you can see, saving your changes. And also, after this one, you can also share this Spotify playlist to any of your social media platform here. So we have your Snapchat, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, and so on. And then after that, you can add songs to this playlist. So you can just tap any songs here by clicking the plus icon, or you can just easily search for a specific song and then you just have to tap this add button to add that song to your playlist. Or you can just scroll down. So just do anything to find the song that you want to add to your playlist. Now, if you scroll down and you didn't find it, all you have to do is to, like what I've said earlier, search the song on the search bar. Also, when it comes to adding album, okay, all you have to do is to search for the name of that album and it will appear here. So you just have to tap the three dots and then click add to playlist. So all you have to do is to choose for the name of the playlist here. So favorite two, tap this one and add it to favorite two. As easy as that. Now you can start playing your Spotify playlist and listen to your favorite songs using your Spotify application. Now, if you find that one of these songs is not good, all you have to do is to click the three dots and then remove from this playlist if you want to remove that song and you don't want that the song to be part of your playlist. So that's the easiest way on how to remove that. And then also you can now shuffle your song if you want. All you have to do is to tap this icon and it will shuffle the song on your playlist. But as you can see, I am using the premium plan, so I cannot use this feature. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make a playlist on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.